Hi, friends! Like, you wanna say, oh my gosh, I look so bad. You guys, I don't have eyebrows. Obviously, I just took a bath. So, what are we gonna make?
Today, we're gonna make the best chewy chocolate chip cookies right over here. Right over there. We listened to BuzzFeed, to Disney, you know what I mean? But we're gonna act like it's our recipe. First of all, you gotta get your large bowl and then whisk together the sugars. You need white sugar and then brown sugar.
And mix it.
And then you get then simple. You don't gotta be smart, you know. And then now it's this whisk. Become prepared.
Butter.
You need to
until
get a
a
whisk.
paste forms with no lump. Okay, I'll mix it.
Bro,
What?
the flour wasn't supposed to be with them.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, you know what?
It's
This is what
already
we do.
here, okay?
This is
And
what
it's gonna
we
be
do.
mixed together anyway.
We needed the. Obviously, we're dumb.
Let's see, we didn't read the instruction yet.
But I did this
This is
before.
so impromptu.
Ate, we didn't make it correctly. I am bothered. Okay, see, we're just gonna do it the way we think it's right.
Yeah,
So we
because this
just
is
all
really-
dry ingredients
With wet ingredient.
and then wet ingredients. We shift, but then you know it's usually not like that because there's some chemical bond. This is not gonna turn out the way we did it before, but we're gonna make it happen because we're not losers in this household. You know what I mean?
And I'm just here like mixing it. Did you wipe it?
No.
You show it.
Okay, see, look at this invention. Basically, all butters come like this and they have 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. Okay, so 115 divided by 40. Okay.
You know, let me just tell you one thing. Yesterday we were at Dragon Mart. Right, so what happened was I bought a microphone. Wait, let me just... So
I know this is very unsanitary, but
So I bought these, right?
we're gonna
And my
move it.
phone doesn't... You know what I mean? You know, I bought a converter, but then this converter doesn't do shit. So in this household, we don't own a microwave, so... What did you first feel when you knew that I was moving back to Philippines?
I didn't like it. But I liked it at the same time. No, I liked it because you were doing something with Duans, you know. Moving forward for that dream, getting that coin, you know what I mean? So,
I didn't get that sense. Is that how old I am? Can you explain it?
oh, you
So
know,
that I can use it?
you know, like getting for your dream, you know, you're going to do what you want to do.
Getting what coin?
Coin as in money.
Because look at this.
Take it away, Mina. If you don't know that, we can't be friends because you can't be friends with my niece. Where are we going tomorrow? We're gonna watch
Tomorrow we're gonna
Aladdin.
watch. Tomorrow we're gonna watch Aladdin.
Because we're rich like that. We're getting buy one get one. My face looks clear, but then when you go near, it's not anymore. I didn't know, cause I got there at like 1:50, cause like I missed the 1:30 bus. You know when your English runs out. That's when you know you're bilingual though.
It's all done. It's all good.
Obviously we're dumb, but we're gonna make it happen because we're not losers in this household. You know what I mean?